Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The US dollar, USD, against the Iraqi dinar, IQD, in the financial markets of Baghdad and Erbil. The exchange rate between these two currencies is a significant indicator of Iraq's economic health, international trade balance, and general economic stability. Let's expand on the information step by step, elaborating on the context, the relevance of exchange rates, the significance of the specific markets mentioned, Baghdad and Erbil, and the broader implications of such movements. The exchange rate between the US dollar and the Iraqi dinar is a critical piece of information for traders, businesses, and individuals alike, especially in a country like Iraq, where the economic system is still recovering from years of instability due to political, social, and military conflicts. The fluctuation in the value of the dinar against the dollar not only affects people who are involved in currency trading but also has an impact on the purchasing power of individuals and businesses, influencing everything from imports to the cost of living. Starting with the rates reported in the central exchanges of Al-Kifr and Al-Harithiyya in Baghdad. The increase to 153,900 dinars for every $100 from the previously reported 153,250 dinars signifies a small yet important rise in the exchange rate. In currency markets, even a slight shift in exchange rates can carry larger implications, particularly for traders and businesses dealing in large volumes. This increase means that more dinars are required to purchase the same amount of US dollars, which suggests a weakening of the dinar relative to the dollar. A change in exchange rates can be influenced by various factors, both domestic and international. In the case of Iraq, domestic factors such as inflation, government fiscal policies, monetary supply, and economic growth rates can play a significant role. For instance, if the Iraqi central bank were to inject more money into the economy or lower interest rates, the value of the dinar might decline, leading to higher exchange rates. On the other hand, international factors such as the global demand for oil, fluctuations in global currency markets, and political stability in the region could also impact the exchange rate. Baghdad, as the capital and the largest city of Iraq, plays a central role in the country's economy. The Al-Kifr and Al-Harithiyya exchanges are among the key financial hubs in Baghdad where the majority of the currency trading takes place. These markets serve as benchmarks for the entire country's exchange rate and are closely monitored by financial analysts, investors, and policymakers. Any shift in these markets can be an indicator of broader economic trends. The reported selling and buying rates at currency exchange stores in Baghdad give us additional insight into how the fluctuation is being absorbed by local markets. Currency exchange stores, also known as money changers, are an important part of the financial ecosystem in Iraq. They provide liquidity and convenience for individuals and businesses looking to exchange currencies without having to deal directly with banks. The selling price of 154,750 IQD and the buying price of 152,750 IQD per 100 US dollars highlight the spread that currency exchange stores use to make a profit. This spread reflects the cost of doing business and can vary depending on demand, supply, and other market conditions. When the dollar's exchange rate rises, it has a variety of effects on the local population. For instance, imports become more expensive, which can lead to inflationary pressures as the cost of goods and services rises. Iraq imports a large portion of its consumer goods, and any increase in the cost of importing those goods, due to a weaker dinar, is likely to be passed on to consumers. This, in turn, can decrease purchasing power, particularly for low and middle-income households, leading to economic strain. Turning our attention to Erbil, the capital of the Kurdistan region of Iraq, we see that the selling price reached 153,800 dinars for every $100, with a buying price of 153,700. Erbil is an important financial center within Iraq, with its own distinct economic ecosystem, though it remains closely tied to the broader Iraqi economy. The relatively small difference between the exchange rates in Baghdad and Erbil indicates that both regions are experiencing similar market conditions, though local factors in the Kurdistan region, such as its own political situation and trade relationships, could also play a role. Erbil's economy, while part of the larger Iraqi economy, has certain unique characteristics, such as its relative political stability compared to other parts of Iraq and its closer trade relations with neighboring Turkey and Iran. The slight difference in the exchange rate between Erbil and Baghdad could be due to various factors, including local demand for US dollars, differences in supply, and regional political or economic developments. In conclusion, while the movement of the US dollar against the Iraqi dinar in the Baghdad and Erbil markets may seem like a small shift, it is a reflection of deeper economic forces at play both within Iraq and globally. These fluctuations are influenced by a wide range of factors, including government policies, inflation, global oil prices, and regional stability. For individuals and businesses in Iraq, understanding these exchange rates is crucial, as they affect everything from the cost of imports to the general standard of living. The reported exchange rates offer a snapshot of the current economic situation, and any further changes in these rates will likely be closely monitored by all those with a vested interest in Iraq's economic future. The slight increase in the dollar's value against the dinar can be seen as a sign of the challenges facing Iraq's economy, but it also highlights the resilience of the financial markets in Baghdad and Erbil as they adapt to changing circumstances. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.